Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is day 2 of my 30-day challenge. And today, you guys are gonna get ready with me. I'm kind of new here on YouTube, so one of my most requested things that I get on Instagram when I go to work is like how I do my hair, how I do certain parts of my makeup. So today I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna tell you what I use, but also it's nothing like crazy. Like I'm not a makeup artist at all. This is just like my daily go-to thing. It literally takes me like 20 minutes, maybe 30 if I can't get my brows right, but it's like super fast. So this is it. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through the whole thing step by step. So first I start with my Clinique. How do they do that? Clinique, you see it? Okay, that is my moisturizer. I use it every day. I have a couple other ones that I use for like, you know, wrinkles and stuff like that. That's like my night creams. But like as my day-to-day use moisturizer, I always use this like Clinique Daily Easy Peasy travel size moisturizer. You can get it for literally $5 at like Nordstrom Rack, TJ Maxx, like any of those spots. It's like literally A1. It leaves me feeling like fresh. I never feel greasy when I wear it, which is like to me really important. So that's my first step. Next step, I take, there we go. I got this from a vending machine in Atlanta. It's really nice though. I used the blue one for a long time, and then I saw this one, and it is supposed to make you look a little bit softer, so not as greasy. And it smells so good. Oh my god. So I have a mirror right here, just if I'm looking over here. Okay. Next up, I love foundation, but lately I've only been wearing BB cream. I love BB cream. It's so light, it looks so good. I have this pink one, which is just like for any type of skin, but I also have the blue one. Obviously you can see I have a little bit of acne, and I probably should be using the blue one, but the blue one is like blemish control, which is really nice. So when you like are breaking out, if you're near your period and you have like those mini breakouts, that one is a great one to use, even though I'm not using it today. Okay, so that's my BB cream. Literally, this is the fastest makeup routine ever. Like literally, it takes me 20 minutes. I'm not kidding. Okay, so this is my go-to. I've literally used it my whole life. This is my go-to. I freaking love it. It's Maybelline. I've literally been using it since I was like 11. It's the best. So I'm gonna just put it under like this, and I have really dark circles, so this is like why it's my favorite, because the coverage is like so good, and it's so cheap. It's a drugstore brand, which I am not opposed to drugstore versus like mainline beauty products. Like I like both. I like to mix it up. I think sometimes the drugstore products are better, and sometimes the like nice brand is better. But regardless, look at that coverage. Ooh la la. You know, every good Kardashian is gonna do some contouring, so that's what we're gonna do. Make our face look a little less potatoey. So I use, it's about this, I am not beholden to any type of bronzer. Like I kind of use whatever I feel like using. Before this one I was using Hoola. Before that one I was using, I don't even know, something different. But this one's really nice. I like it because it has a little sparkle in it. I don't know if you can tell. There's like a little bit, oh hey. There's a little shimmer in it, which I really like. So we're gonna do this one, and I just like, just a little bit. I'm gonna do cheekbones. Don't worry, it'll look better once I blend everything. Looks a little blotchy, but it's all good. Promise. Do it by your brain up there. Okay, and then next we're gonna come through with Becca. So this is my finishing powder. It's not my favorite one I've ever purchased, but it still does the trick and I like it. Like, it's not my favorite, but I don't hate it, you know what I mean? So I just come in and do it in the parts where I didn't add the bronzer. I know there's probably so many makeup artists cringing right now, but sorry guys, this is how I do my makeup. You wanted to know, so this is what I'm showing you. Okay, so you can see I have like my contour, blah, 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 whatever. Okay, so at this point in my like morning get ready routine, I turn on the tools. They get on, and while I do my brows, I let them heat up, and I let this part set, even though it looks blotchy, but just trust me. I always use high. My hair just doesn't work if I don't. So these I turn all the way up. Okay, I just turn them all the way up. I've had this forever. I think I got it at Walgreens or like Sally Beauty or something. It's Remington. It's lasted forever. And then Hot Tools. It's my go-to brand for wands. I don't buy any other type of wands. Maybe I should try a different type, but no, it's my go-to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush out my hair. Disclaimer, I thought about doing this video last night and I didn't, so I kind of pre-curled my hair, but not really. It was like kind of half-assed. Okay guys, so I like the middle part, so I guess I'll just show you. Oops. I don't ever have like a perfect middle part. I'm not here for perfection, you know? None of us are perfect, so we're just gonna do the best that we can. So like I said, next up, I'm gonna do my brows. I'm like so almost out of this. You can see it's like almost gone. But this is the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. Everyone uses it, it's the best. My sister told me to get it. She's a makeup guru, not me, but here I am doing it for you guys, so, you know. But it's really good. I like this one. It served me well. I bought it literally so long ago for another wedding, and it has been incredible, like literally awesome. Okay, so I brush out my brows. I feel like this is gonna be really hard to do it right here. We're gonna try. Brush them out. Feather those bad boys. Okay. Typically go underneath, and then I draw a little bit extended from like the nose bridge, right like here. So let me see if I can do it on here. So I start feathering like this, up, up, and I go down like that. Keep feathering it. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Feather, 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 feather. Keep drawing the line underneath. Feather that part out. Oops. Feather, 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 feather. And then this is the part where I'm gonna draw across. So, okay. So I bring it in close, right? Like I'm drawing a unibrow almost. That's what I imagine. It's just a unibrow. And I bring it up to the top like that, okay? So then we're gonna bring it down now. So we're gonna bring it down here. Does that look okay so far? Yeah, it does. Okay, we're gonna keep feathering, feathering, feathering. Underneath a little bit. Okay, not bad, not bad. We're gonna brush it out. Like I said, we're not here for perfection. We just wanna look pretty. So that's what we're doing. It looks all right. And also remember, I'm not a makeup artist, so sorry if you're cringing at me, makeup artists on the internet. If you're even watching, probably aren't, but that's fine. Give yourself a little tail. Okay, so that's the difference. I just kind of fill it in. Bring that, I always like kind of make sure my lines are good. Wow, you guys are getting up close and personal with me today. Also, okay, so you can tell the difference, obviously. This one's done, this one is not done. And then once I'm finished with my entire makeup routine, before I spray my setting spray, Control Freak, that's what I use. It holds it in place literally all day, even when I'm flying, so it's perfect. All right, we're gonna do this other one really fast. I won't talk you through it. Okay, let's be real with ourselves. There's always one brow that's better than the other. Obviously this one is better today than this one. But this is a quick tutorial, so we're just gonna keep going. I also have stuff like all over my hands, can you see? All right, okay, so now, I'm still letting this stuff set. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my hair. 2 pieces over the shoulder, like this. All right, I start with a straightener. Probably a cardinal sin. If you're a hairdresser out there, sorry, okay? But that's how I do it. All right, I go through the top, get that straight. I go underneath, make sure that looks nice. Same thing on this side. And then I get the bottoms. Not the middle though, just the bottoms. Okay. Iron. We don't have to do this too perfect, right? So I kind of just take what feels good. Last night I did really big chunks because I was in a hurry, but tonight, or it's not nighttime, but today we'll just do like medium size. So I just take like about this much hair, and it doesn't matter if you start from the back or the front, and you just hold it. The wand is amazing. I was a curling iron person forever, but since I switched to the wand, I really love it. If you have little bangs like me, or if you can't decide if you want bangs or not like me, oops, I just give them a little curl, not a lot, because we're not trying to look like Shirley Temple. So just like a little, there you go, a little Farrah Fawcett, you know what I'm saying? So under there, we're gonna take this piece here. And then I get a little bit bigger in the back. Not really for any other particular reason except for the fact that I'm lazy. So that's what we do. I'm trying to make this a quick 5-minute hairstyle. You'll see why we do this in the middle of the makeup routine. So I like to get my set on, I like to do my brows, and then I like to do my hair because I don't really use hairspray or any products except for like when I get out of the shower. And I like for my hair to be set in tight curls. So I want it to cool all the way. And then what I'm gonna do is run my fingers through it and kind of like tease it a little bit with my hands. That way it doesn't look so perfect. I don't think beauty and your hair and your makeup and your clothes, I don't think that it has to be perfect like all the time. I like a little bit of, not mess, that's not the right word, but just a little imperfection. It gives yourself character and like, I don't want to be so serious anyways, you know what I mean? So there we go. That's what this side is gonna look like. I'll probably curl this one again. Very, very easy, very fast. It's not like a long process. So you see I hold it up. Hold this part down. That's what's gonna help you like, whatever. Okay, so it's all curled on this side. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. Oh my God, look at the top, it looks like crazy. Okay. All right, this is it. We're gonna leave these 2 things on until we're done. It's time to blend. So, oh, there you go, MAC Studio Fix. This color is C4. C4 Studio Fix. Blend that guy. Okay, we are almost done. And right now we're at 21 minutes. So like, literally when I was telling you this is the fastest makeup routine ever, it really is. And I've been talking the whole time. So like, even if I didn't talk the whole time, I could probably do this whole thing in 15 minutes. That's pretty cool. I'm neurotic about the under eyes. So I know this is like overkill, but I do a little bit more just to make sure those Chanel bags aren't coming out. Blend. Love this stuff. Oh, you see my brow too. This is why we use the Control Freak. That's why we use this, because you can see like where I drew my line, but once it's up again, you won't be able to tell. Back to what I was saying though, this stuff, okay, my sister bought this liquid highlighter. It's not this one. She got Wet n Wild, and literally I was in Ulta, and I was looking up and down every freaking aisle because the entire time I thought it was NYX. And I saw this one, but I'm like, this isn't the same one that she has. Like, it's not what I want, but I got it, and I actually really love it. It's like so pretty. I'm like here for the creamy highlighters. I have the powder too, the Becca one, but I just really like the creamy one. A little on your nose, up here. Okay. Control Freak time. So what we're gonna do, just, oop. Okay, up. Just like you're brushing your brows out. You only need to like dip it one time. Should work for the whole time. Okay, so that's good. They'll stay in place all day, I promise. The King, you see it? Mario Badescu. This stuff, okay, I've used the rose water forever. I just started using the chamomile lavender. Wow, like just wow, hold on. I go through it so fast. Dry, 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 dry. You want that to dry all the way. This is one of the reasons why we keep this stuff on. I'm a little OCD about flyaway hairs. That is like my thing that I'm like a little insecure about. So like when it gets wet, it starts to get a little crazy. Oh Hi Beauty is like my new favorite mascara. Oh Hi Beauty. Urban Outfitters. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It looks so nice. Let's see if we can get it on. If not, I have my other favorite that I use. But this stuff, like, look how skinny the little like thing is. I love it. I literally love it. Okay. It looks so natural and pretty. It just makes your lashes a little darker. I love the Oh Hi Beauty line. I got a couple of their stuff and I'm like, hello, it's amazing. Not least, just take this through again because the Mario definitely got our hair a little wet around the like wispy areas. And flatten it out. But you don't have to do this if like you're comfortable with like having the wispies and stuff. I don't like how that looks on me, so I don't keep it. Okay, so our hair is cool from the curling iron. So now we're just gonna run our fingers through it, just like that. Easy. Shake it out a little bit. Give us those nice, luscious, natural looking curls. Like throw them behind my ear. Hello, what's up? Got a little wisp here. Lips. Okay, this is my go-to, okay? Whoop. MAC, Lady Be Good. This one, and quite the standout. What is it called? Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color. It is everything, ladies and gentlemen. It is everything. So, this is it. Final trick from my mom. Now you don't have lipstick on your teeth. Okay, flip it over. And that is your 25-minute makeup and hair tutorial for the day. Thank you everybody for stopping by. I'm so glad to have you here on day 2, and thank you for watching if you watched all the way through. I know it's a little long video. They won't always be this long, but I'm really happy to have you here, and I'm really excited to be vlogging. So if there's anything you want to see, please let me know. Comment below. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel so you can get the full 30-day vlog experience, 30-day challenge. And I'll see you back here tomorrow. Have a great day. See ya! Good vibration.